put those great fats back in your diet and enjoy. Just see how you feel, okay? If you feel miserable for whatever reason by week 2, well, change it, but give it a try. Eat heavy breakfasts, enough carbs. You don't have to eat a ton of carbs. The less processed, the better, but do what you can at first. Eat your potatoes, eat your bread, whatever. If you have health challenges, I'm not the person you should be listening to. Talk to your doctor. But if you're just someone who's like, I want to get better and I don't have many health challenges, try it, okay? Eat that. And then for lunch, eat another nice heavy meal. It doesn't have to be as heavy, but eat a good lunch. And you're going to see by supper time, number 1, you won't be as hungry. Now is the time you could eat like a salad. You could eat a soup, a light soup, or drink a broth, a heavy, nutritious broth, and you won't even feel hungry. You could juice, or you could do what I've done for the last 8 years and not eat supper. Of course, this is always different when I'm breastfeeding. When I'm breastfeeding, I always eat all 3 of my meals heavily because yes, I need to form enough food for my baby. But outside of that, listen, you don't need that 3rd meal and you get used to it. Number 1, it's going to help you sleep better. When your body is not trying to digest that heavy food that we normally eat at dinner, you're going to digest a lot better. Dinner is also a culture. Dinner is a time spent with family. So a lot of people resist this idea of eating a lighter dinner because of that time. But that time is what it is. It's the time. You can still spend the time and do other things. You can have board games during that time. You can bond in other ways during that time if you decide to cut out that 3rd meal. Also, this does not apply to children. Children are growing at a very fast pace and need a lot of nutrition, and they do a lot of their growing at night while they sleep. So make sure to feed those children, those growing teens, as much as they need. But all that food does when you go to sleep is get packed away, because you just wake up and you're like, I don't know where this weight came from. It came while you were sleeping. Am I being too harsh? I don't think so. You guys, listen, I'm trying to help you, okay? Listen, I needed this help too at some point. And if I just show you what's happening, I feel like I know you will make the choice that serves you best. And so if you can cut out that 3rd meal or replace it with something really light, eat something full of fiber like pop, or eat a nice hefty salad, leafy greens and vegetables, and things that are high in fiber. Or if you just have to start slow, eat a nice bowl of oatmeal. Flip your meals. Have that bowl of oatmeal. It's also full of fiber. It'll keep you full a little bit longer. It'll give you the illusion of fullness. Or eat a bowl of watermelon. Whatever you do, try and make it lighter. You will see, number 1, the weight will start to melt off. It just will. It just will. Try it for 10 days. Come back here and see if I did not tell you the truth. It will start to melt off. Number 2, you will be slowly detoxifying your body because you're giving your body that time to repair. It's a very nice long time between lunch and breakfast the next morning, even if you eat lightly in the middle, for your body to do its repairs, for it to cleanse itself, for all the systems to be managed, because your body needs time every day to just reset itself. And your body even takes time to sort your thoughts from the previous day and your feelings and bring about reason so you don't carry today's feelings into tomorrow. Give your body that time where it's not focused on heavy digestion and what are we going to do with all this fuel that's in our body, because you don't need that much fuel when you're going to sleep. All it does is get packed away for another day. That day never comes because the next morning you're going to wake up and do the same thing again. So That is my power tip for you. If you're looking for an easy entry-level detox, I would highly suggest you go ahead and try intermittent fasting. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. I would be so happy to answer from my experience, what I've known, from my knowledge base, both as a nurse and as a wellness advocate. If this video has been helpful for you, please do share it with someone so that they too can get these nuggets and make their health better. Health is greater than wealth. Let's spend more time focusing on our health than our wealth. Thanks guys. See you in the next video. Bye.